Hey all, welcome to Spice Kitchen and Ginger. Today we'll be making Asian chicken salad. This is a meal in 30 minutes. This will be the best Asian chicken salad you'll ever eat and is the same recipe that I used to use for my catering business. These are the ingredients for the salad dressing plus the oil. You can use any neutral oil you like. First, we want to measure 1/3 cup packed light brown sugar. And the second 1/3 cup, we want to make it packed and slightly heaping. This dressing is best if you let it sit overnight, but you can also microwave it to warm it up and stir to ensure that the brown sugar melts. Then we add 1/2 cup neutral oil, 3/4 cup rice vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon plus 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup plus 1/4 cup low sodium soy sauce. You can use regular soy sauce, but you need to adjust the amount of salt you use. One-4 cup pure sesame seed oil, or you can use 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon for more sesame flavor. Before we move on, I want to discuss briefly about the light brown sugar that you use. I have 2 packages here. One I just bought and the other one is older that I have opened and used. As you can see, they are both light brown sugar. The old one has a zip so you can open and close it, and the new one you have to cut it. I don't know whether you can tell the color difference from the back, but here, let me show you. The older brown sugar is darker. The dressing that I make with the older brown sugar tastes better than with the new brown sugar. It has more in-depth flavor. So now when I shop for light brown sugar, I flip the bag and look. Now I cut the cilantro leaves about 1 inch. Usually if I use 1 pound of salad spring mix, I use 4 bunches of cilantro, 3 bunches of green onions, and a bag of shredded carrots. Now we slice the red onion and we want to separate them. Now we slice the green onions. We are ready to assemble. Put any salad mix of your choice. Put the shredded carrots. I have also used shredded napa cabbage in exchange of the salad mix, and it works just fine. Put the green onions. Cilantro, red onions, and mix the salad. Add roasted peanuts, or you can use slivered almonds. Now we shred the roasted chicken. You can buy the chicken from any grocery stores, and if you are vegetarian, you can use fried tofu instead of chicken. Then we add the LaChoy chow mein on top. If you like this video, you can help grow this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Write a comment or ask me a question about the recipe and I'll be happy to answer you. Thank you for your support. Finally, add the dressing and your meal is ready in 30 minutes. Thank you for watching and see you next time.